So you've diagnosed and corrected a vehicle's emissions control problem, and it's time to order a replacement catalytic converter. You're home free, right? Well, we're going to cover what you need to know before you order the correct catalytic converter for the vehicle. Next.
This video is sponsored by Walker Emissions Control, a leading brand of replacement emission control systems and components. Visit walkerexhaust.com for more information.
You've diagnosed a vehicle with a catalytic converter efficiency problem and corrected all the upstream issues that might have damaged the original converter. At this point, the last thing you want to do is to mistakenly order the wrong replacement converter. Here's how to make the right choice every time. If you're in California, New York, or starting in June in Maine, you'll need a CARB-compliant converter to meet the state requirements. To identify the right CARB-compliant unit, you will need the vehicle's engine family number, or EFN, which is printed on the emissions control information label that is in the engine compartment. Use this in addition to the year, make, model, engine displacement to look up the correct part in your supplier's catalog of California-compliant converters. If you're in a state other than California, New York, or Maine, in most cases you'll simply need the year, make, model, and engine displacement. Plug this information into your supplier's catalog, and you'll have the right EPA-compliant converter for the job. But there's a few exceptions. You might need to know if the vehicle is California emissions certified. In a limited number of cases, the emission systems are physically different between the CARB certified model and the EPA certified model. As a result, the EPA-compliant converter, while legal in these states, might not fit. In most cases, however, the EPA-compliant converter in your supplier's catalog will fit both emissions types for the vehicles being repaired in the states following the EPA standard. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.